morning mga loads. We just arrived North Topaz and Vigo having a STS operation. So dito kami sa bunker area west of Malta. Together with the same team, Kapitan Alan, Ivan, Bobby, yan. Siyempre, Boss Aldin, palagi lang logi. Tapos 3 hours na tulog, logi. North Topaz and Vigo. Yeah, bunker bars first with my brother Sean. Ito yung kaibigan ko na surveyor, my friend and my brother Sean. Akit sa Vigo, safe and sound. Yung swell, oh, sobrang lakas. Dito kami sa Vigo nakatikit. Malakas talaga yung swell eh, high swell. So, pababa na si Brother Sean. Brother, get afraid. So guys, we already finished gouging to Vigo, and then I will transfer Brother Sean to the North Topaz. This one it's better now here in the starboard side because there's a lee side, but it's okay. Are you afraid, brother? No.
Me number one.
No, you're number one, of course. North Topaz is here, so we already come alongside to the starboard side. Take care, brother. So the surveyors already embarked the vessel. So paakyat na namin yung surveyor. So tapos na yung operation namin. Alis na kami. Shout out dyan sa mga Pinoy. North Topaz.